Welcome to Sadbhavna News and I am Poonam Sharma. Currently serves the businesses in the financial services, healthcare, communications, retail and natural resources sectors. Infosys Limited said it will establish a new digital development center at its largest Canadian office in Mississauga. This is aimed at creating 500 high-quality jobs in the Toronto region over the next 3 years. The Digital Development Center, spanning 50,000 square feet, will train, upskill and reskill employees in the technologies needed to help Canadian businesses accelerate their digital transformation. It will also enable Infosys to better collaborate with clients to develop cross-functional solutions to pressing businesses' challenges. Infosys in the Toronto region currently serves businesses in the financial services, healthcare, communications, retail and natural resources sectors. Artificial intelligence, data science, automation and machine learning are the core capabilities that this center would nurture and expand, Infosys said. Earlier this year, Infosys committed to add 500 jobs to Calgary, a city in Canada, over the next 3 years, doubling its Canadian workforce to 4,000 employees by 2023. The new Digital Development Center will play a key role in this expansion and lead the building of digital capabilities and training for the next generation of IT talent to support Canadian businesses. The Toronto region met all of the criteria when deciding where to set up the Digital Development Center, create new jobs and scale our business offerings, said Ravi Kumar, President, Infosys. Talent and high-tech know-how are in abundance. There is a real aptitude for new workplace development strategies and many of our clients are based here. Even better, this will enable us to be part of an ecosystem that reaches across the region, linking the private sector with innovative research and learning institutions in Canada. While the Digital Development Center is the first of its kind in Canada for Infosys, the company believes that it is based on the proven model of 6 similar digital centers in the US, which hire from local colleges and provide training and digital career paths. Infosys said it has seen exponential growth in Canada and is firmly committed to strengthening its presence and hiring top tech talents across major hubs. Within the last 2 years, Infosys said it has created thousands of jobs across Toronto, Vancouver, Ottawa, Montreal and most recently Calgary. The company has graduates from more than 14 local post-secondary educational institutions such as the University of Toronto and University of Waterloo, to build a strong pipeline of tech talent. Powered by Arthros Clinic, a dedicated center for arthroscopy and sports injuries.